The man you are seeing in the picture attached to this post is an elder from Ukwuani land. He is Chief Azubike Cliff Chiejine. Few days ago, I posted a video about him where he was talking to our Ukwuani people, telling them to embrace their Igbo identity and to support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. This one na elder when no say Ukwuani land need Anioma State. This one na elder when no say Ukwuani land needs development. These are elders that mean well for Ukwuani people. Senator Nwoko said that the first governor of Anioma State will surely come from Ukwuani land. He not dey talk and say he's just saying it for political reasons to get the support of Ukwuani people to actualize Anioma State. No, he is giving Ukwuani people assurance. And Elder Cliff Chiejine said it in that video. But some of our Ukwuani people, they say no, we don't want to join Southeast though. You don't want to join Southeast. You won't lose governor opportunity where they give una. If we get Anioma State, someone from Ukwuani will be the first governor. He talked about Ukwuani people will have more House of Reps members. Representatives will go come out from Ukwuani land go reach 3. Ukwuani land go get senator. All these things now waiting Elder Cliff they tell Ukwuani people. Say this is the only opportunity that we have, and that the slot for a state to be created was meant for the Southeast. The South was never given any slot to have a state. Our Southeast brothers gave us that slot to actualize Anioma State and join them in the Southeast. But because of identity crisis, some of our people for this Anioma land they talk say they no want join Southeast. Most especially our Ukwuani people. You dey reject the offer to be the first governor of Anioma State. You dey reject to have your own senator. You dey reject to have 3 House of Reps members where Anioma State go give us. You dey reject infrastructural development where we enter Ukwuani land if we get Anioma State. You want us to remain in Delta State so that those selfish politicians in this Delta North will be milking our resources while we are left with nothing. Then they collect your resources, they're not the build infrastructure for you. This elder talked about those politicians that are using Ukwuani people to play politics. He said that there are politicians in Ukwuani land that don't know what they represent. The ones where they for House of Representatives, they are not representing Ukwuani people. Instead, they are representing their pocket. The deputy governor of Delta State is an Ukwuani man. Have he said anything concerning the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning? No. Ukwuani people where they their house, they not go talk. The ones who stay there for power, they not go talk. They go just stay for where they stay, they look. Good things go they pass them. Then they talk about the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Our Ukwuani brother where be deputy governor have not said anything. The one where they represent us for House of Representatives, they talk say, you know what, make Anioma State join Southeast. Politicians where be say they never fit bring any good thing come Ukwuani. Even their own community not they get light. No be that one that they talk. Waiting our Ukwuani politician they do nothing. All they know how to do is to they follow Okowa for Nyash. Okowa tell them sit down for there, they go sit down for there. Because now him be their boss. Now this godfatherism Ukwuani people do be say now under person there sabi they not they ever be the boss. And now because of that thing I make development not they enter Ukwuani land. Development go only enter your land if power dey your hand. If you are the boss. Okowa become governor, he start to dey build the road where they can land. See what he do for our, see what he do for our. How many of those things dey Ukwuani land? Some of our Ukwuani people are saying, we prefer Okowa to Senator Nwoko. What have Senator Nwoko done for Ukwuani people? You prefer Okowa. Show us one thing what Okowa do for Ukwuani people. They're not going to show us. Since Okowa take be senator representing Delta North, wetin Okowa do for Ukwuani people? Since he did that place, light, he not give Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people they protest say for 20 years they not get light. Why Okowa not give Ukwuani people light? Road not the Ukwuani land. Why Okowa not give us road? Okowa did that place till he come out. He not give us light. He not give us road. He not give us federal or state university. No federal or state poly. No federal or state college of education. No federal project the enter Ukwuani land. No state project the enter Ukwuani land. Even as now Ukwuani land crude oil there for this Delta North. Yet we Ukwuani people will not get anything. Okowa became the governor of Delta State and ruled for 8 years. He not do anything for Ukwuani people. And you go see some of our Ukwuani brothers will not get sense go come online, they talk rubbish. Yes, Senator Daddy won't go do this, Senator Daddy won't go do that. He not do anything for Ukwuani people. Senator Daddy won't go do nothing for Ukwuani people. Now Anioma State now come be the project where you want give us. The biggest project in this Delta North is Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Nothing any politician for this Delta North don't do well past this Anioma State agitation and the Southeast zoning. Anioma State beats them all. See, Anioma State is the biggest project to we Anioma people because we know what we will benefit if we actualize this Anioma State. Ukwuani people, make una wake up, make una know what it means by opportunity comes but once. If we lose this opportunity now, this slot where we say our Southeast brothers don't give us, when una think say this opportunity go come again? Senator then we go talk say Ukwuani person go be the first governor. Una want to make we lose am. We go get senator wey go represent Ukwuani people for Senate. Una want to make we lose am. We go get 3 House of Reps members. Una want to make we lose am. We go start to control our resources for Ukwuani land. Una want to make we lose am. We go be majority. Our voice will be heard, just like Elder Cliff said. Say we Ukwuani people are majority, and for our voice to be heard in this country, we need Anioma State, and that we need to coexist with our brothers in the Southeast. Una want to make we lose am. If you still want to make we lose am, even as you take they hear everything while they talk, so that means you not get sense. True. E bad say the importance of Anioma State where would they tell una still no one here. Me know say if you meet our elders for Ukwuani land, 90% of them will tell you that they want Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Now only those ones, those paid agents, will not know themselves. Those ones where be say poverty they sweet them. Those ones where be say they not know good, they not know bad. Their own anyway way belle face. They never talk finish. Our local government chairman, they sign against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast. Politician where be say he they fight for his own pocket. He they fight for him godfather. He dey protect the interest of him godfather. You where be say you no even get future, no development in your land, nothing. You dey support politician where they fight for him own pocket. As those local government chairmen they sign all those things now, they think say we Anioma people stand with them. We don't stand with them. We stand with Senator Ned Nwoko because we know the importance of Anioma State to we Anioma people. Those politicians are not representing us. Local government chairman where they represent Oshimiri and the Anyocha people, knowing fully well that the kings of those regions are proud of their Igbo identity. They want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast. So wetin make una dey feel say that local government chairman they represent him people? This is the only opportunity that we have, and our elder here from Ukwuani land is telling our Ukwuani people to support Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. We will benefit more. Since we dey for South, wetin we Ukwuani people they benefit nothing. I don't want to talk about Eka, Oshimiri and Anyocha because I know say those people have benefited more than we Ukwuani people. Wetin we Ukwuani people they benefit. The only thing we're not there for Oshimiri and Anyocha land na university, but at least they get polytechnic, and that is Ogwashuku Poly. Then they get lights on Ichubo, Ezi, Iseluku, Obio. All those ones they get lights. They get good road. And all those things in Ukwuani land, no. Ukwuani they protest say for 20 years they not get lights. We plenty pass them for population. we get landmass past them. Now our crude oil money, they pay politicians where they this Anioma land. They pay the obese where they this Anioma land. Yet, Ukwuani people are nowhere to be found. Enjoyment we not enjoy. No good thing there for Ukwuani land. This one supposed to tell our Ukwuani people say, make we get this Anioma State, make we join our Southeast brothers. After all, we are not benefiting anything from this South. Now only our politicians they benefit anything when they enter this South. But instead, those politicians are using those set of Ukwuani people where we say there no one reason no say we want this Anioma State. The major people where need this Anioma State now we Ukwuani people. If not be say they don't tell lies, give our Ukwuani people finish. They don't separate our Ukwuani people from our Southeast brothers. Identity crisis everywhere. Now Ukwuani people not supposed to the echo pass concerning this Anioma State agitation and the Southeast zone. Ukwuani people voice supposed plenty for social media. They demand for Anioma State to be actualized. But instead, the ones where they talk, the little they talk say, we don't want just Southeast, Igbo people leave us alone, they talk rubbish. Are we better than the Southeast? No. Nowhere for this life where you go take Ukwuani people compare Southeast. What are we producing in Ukwuani land? Which market is there for Ukwuani land? What is Ukwuani generating for the country if not that crude oil where they our land? Come out crude oil from Ukwuani land. We not sabi anything. Instead of to learn trade, know how to do business. Learn importation. Make goods they come from China, they enter Nigeria through Ukwuani people. Instead of us to get Anioma State, make we get seaports for our. Now what thing we supposed to they talk be that? Make we build Ukwuani land. You want to remain for Delta states. Where is your brain? Where your brain? Reason. Think about what we benefit if we get this Anioma State. Even if the slot for a state to be created for South comes out, Anioma people will never be given that slot. Nobody will leave Anioma State to take that slot. So many people are agitating in this South to have a state. This is why this is the only opportunity that we have. Let's get Anioma State and join our Southeast brothers. You want to get Anioma State, make it deal with people where we say you and them not they understand each other. Una not they speak the same language. Una not get the same agenda. They not they see you as part of them, but you they force yourself on them. Is that not mental slavery? They go put chain for your neck before you go know say you are living like a slave. If better say chain dey your neck, you dey want pull am to get freedom than that chain where be say e dey your head but I not dey see am. That is what we call mental slavery. Mental slavery is the worst form of slavery. Remove that chain from your head and reason. Come out all those unnecessary fear where dey your body. Some of them say there's insecurity in the Southeast. We can't join the Southeast. Some they talk say IPOB matter, Biafra matter. Now because of our Anioma people, now make that Biafra matter come out. And that is because of what Kaduna Zogu did in 1966. If to say not do that coup, where make Northern start to dey kill Igbo people, Ndi Igbo no go start to agitate for Biafra. So as they blame our Southeast brothers, make sure you know the root cause why our brothers are agitating for Biafra. If we want to make Ukwuani land better, make Igbo land better, then we need to unite as a people, unite with our Southeast brothers. Then know the way forward for our people. No be to dey comot our body, we not be Igbo people, make we done our own, make it not happen again, make Ukwuani people not carry their head, carry am. All we know how to do is to come up body, come up body, come up body. Yet, as we dey come up body, we are not growing. Ka kuno chono ka agwo no, kuno malishe, Ukwuani chono ganisu. Kuno chono ka agwo no. Ukwuani youth make una wake up. No allow this our elders when old finish where be say waiting that they find now the one where they go chop today. If you dey reason that way, you will never go far in life. We need to grow. Make it be say what will they plan now for the future, not be the one who go chop today. Those Ukwuani people that are against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State, they think of waiting they go chop today. But those politicians where they against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast, they are thinking of what they will eat in the future. Because the one where they go chop today is assured. The one where they go chop tomorrow is assured. Now future that they save for. So your agenda and big man will not be the same. We Ukwuani people, we have to do everything possible and make sure that all these politicians not they use us for their selfish interests. Every politician for this Delta North way get sense wants make Anioma State join Southeast. Some of our kind of people are saying, we don't want just Southeast to make sit at home, not come this place. So if we join Southeast As if say we don't want to sit at home, we go sit down for round table talker. Southeast, what are we going to do to curb insecurity in our region? Even as we did this south now, there's insecurity all over the place. Our people are complaining that herdsmen are using their cow to destroy their crops. Small time now, killing go start, herdsmen go start to slaughter our people. If we join Southeast, sit at home go end, because that is the only way for we Anioma people and our Southeast brothers to coexist. Then we go start to play the politics of making Igbo land great, politics to end the marginalization of Igbo land by the federal government of Nigeria, politics where they say the government of Nigeria would respect Igbo land. Why did they marginalize us now? Because we know they united. Then they marginalize Southeast. Then they marginalize we Anioma people for South. Or are we not marginalized? If to say they don't marginalize us, we for don't grow, develop like Southeast. Show me anywhere for this Anioma land where be like Southeast. Only unity will save we Anioma people. We Anioma people, we need unity. Let's unite with our Southeast brothers. As about Fasabatos, make Anioma State join Southeast. He is only speaking for himself. He is speaking his opinion. His opinion is not the opinion of we Ukwuani people. Waiting Asaba they pass through, not be waiting Ukwuani they pass through. Asaba is benefiting more than we Ukwuani people that are feeding Asaba. Asaba is not contributing anything to we Ukwuani people. Instead, now we Ukwuani people they build Asaba. All those infrastructure where they build for Asaba, now crude oil and money where they come from Ukwuani land that they build down. So no be Asaba where would they feed go tell we Anioma people where Anioma State go dey. Ukwuani people, make una they speak up. Make una they speak up. Make una they allow people they speak on our mouth for now. Let's do everything possible and make sure that we support Senator Nwoko. Let's actualize Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast for we Ukwuani people to grow, for us to develop. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiagware.